Okay, so let's look at blockchain, block and block reward. So blockchain, the underlying technology that helps to secure cryptocurrencies and keep it in sync. So a blockchain is literally that, a series of blocks. Recorded history, recorded transactions in the past. This wallet sent money to that wallet, here to there, here and there, and everything. All the transactions are in them. And it makes a blockchain. The history is recorded. History is certain. The future is uncertain. So, block. They make up the blockchain and are recorded transactions. Each of these are a block. They have within them the transaction history in each block. And the block reward is the reward given to miners for mining the crypto, which is to process transactions. Miners solve mathematical equations which help the transactions across, and by writing these mathematical equations they are creating the block, and by creating a block the algorithm gives them a block reward, which is a certain amount of cryptocurrency per every minute, every hour, every 10 minutes, depending on the cryptocurrency itself. Bitcoin makes a new block every 10 minutes, and all the blocks are then synchronized across the whole network. So all of the miners and the distributed ledger is on the same page. They all know what's happening at the same time. The information, each block, is instantly spread across the network, so we all have a copy of the ledger, so we all know what's happening within each block. The history is certain. It's written in the blockchain. How cool is that? So blockchain, block reward. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.